ngira ngo ni amanota 3 yarakenewe twashaka kongera umubare w'ibitego kuko ntawamenya fe ya shampiyona wenda hari igihe byazakonta ariko icyo kwishimira ni igitego cya Ouattara ni ibitego bibiri bya Omedi yaherukaga gutsinda kera so ndibaza yuko Ouattara ashobora kuzamera ibiteri Omedi akaba wa kabiri Ouattara ngira ngo muza kuza kwitegura match ya igikombe cy'amahoro na Rayon Sport ava yuko ibangira ngo naramuhamagaye nkoresheje nimero yiwe kuko niyo nari mfite yo muri Burkina Faso nsanga yarahinduye akoresha Inyarwanda ntiyacagamo amagana Lamine Ban inshuti yo barahorana arambwira ati n'ubu turi kumwe na mwana nashaka Ouattara n'ubu turi kumwe ndamubwira ni Ouattara winiyo iri obviously sinshaka kuyumba ndashaka igitego cy'ukuguru ko hari amazi iminsi bashira iminsi banyoreza ubu video ngo Ouattara ngo n'umutwe ndamubwira nihaza na free header uyireke nashaka igitego cy'akaguru ansubishamo eshatu ushaka igitego cy'akaguru cyane ngira ngo amaze kugitsinda sinzi abantu bari muri Kigali nabaje abantu bo mu ntara bambwira ko bitigeze ariko mwumvisha umutingito warawumvisha yaramamagara ambwira ngo uracyashaka igitego cy'akaguru iyo ngitsinze aho umutingito so yarambwira rero ngo mugende mukoresha amatora abanyarwanda nibashaka igitego cy'akaguru ubwo bawitegura uyu munsi rero mukinge hakiri kare cyangwa se muba mu mazu hakiri kare baba mu mazu adakomeye stili n'undi umutingito uraba
yego utsinze derby yawe wirukanishije umuvugizi w'abandi guherekeje kugeza n'isana
ntabwo namwirukanye ngira ngo n'ubundi ninjira muri uyu mwuga nasanzemo abavugizi ngira ngo ntabwo bongeye kuvuga haciyeho amezi 2 nibwo nabaye go ahead ko bajya kuvuga so rero iyo ubuze icyo uvuga uravugiriza ntabwo uvugishwa uriya rero yanze kuvugiriza aravugishwa bari muri pension nzongera kumurekurira kuvuga ngira ngo fe ya shampiyona ariko nabwo bizaterwa na recruitment bazabakoze bongera kugarura umutoza nkuriya ngira ngo nabwo ntabwo nzonera kuvuga azajya abanza nyireke recruitment ndebe amazina nimba yajya kuhapinga ariko ari mu bihano of course aracicaye muri stade
abakunzi ba APR message wabagenera nk'umuvugizi wabo
ndabakunda banyakiriye neza baritabira bakomeze bitabire ejo ariko nibashaka bazareke kuza nta kintu gihari ejo ni kama aribyo twigaga muri geography bitaga ngo ni ibintu ibicuruzwa ariko biri complement byuzuzanya like iyo ufite icyayi udafite isukari ntago kinyobwa iyo uguze imodoka udafite essence ntago igenda rero Rayon Sport na Rutsiro ni kama pipi na mufuniko ni nk'icupa n'umufuniko biruzuzanya kugira ngo match zorohe abantu barasakujura mugaruye ejo n'ubundi match amaze gutangwa ni match yawe nta kintu kizaba gihari
abakinnyi naba hari kubera ikibazo cy'imishahara
nta kintu gihari match yamaze gutangwa ibitego bizinjira
yatangwa kurusha uko yatanzwe Gisenyi
ngira ngo Rutsiro nayitsinze ibitego 2 muri premier mita abwo urumva nimba yarabimpaye n'ayandi yo ku mahoro final ubwo nayo yarampaye ubwo nayo nayitsinze yo ahubwo ku munota wa 4 namaze gushyira film ubwo zose zirampa rero ariko ngira ngo nzabivuga
ntabwo ari dutangaje bivuga
ngira ngo nzabivuga sezita kwa munani mfite mariage ndabatumiye
something like that many matches especially at the beginning we didn't do our opponents to stop the game but we talk about all season I think the league only 12 goals I'm sure 15 but 3 goals by administrative 12 goals in the league in Sekafa only 2 goals in 6 matches in this cup 7 matches 2 goals Kiro Cup no goals only Champions League we suffer pyramids but the rest of the matches was strong defensive line and now finally we start to score goals.
How is that title win in the weekend going to help and push you in the title race?
I don't know, it's all the time the same. We are behind each other and we follow each other all the result and we push, until the end, as I said.
Could you say something about Djibril Ouattara, the man who's scoring day in, week in, week out?
No, it's the last time they called me about Ouattara. describe him. I told them I will not describe talk a lot of him. You just said amazing. But, Tara is a guy who brings to us something. But of course, the rest of the team is also important, and players around him. Sometimes what we did and how we react is most important. But at the end, as I said, Tara is an amazing player.
Yes, coach, we didn't see Ruboneka and Nahiva. They are good or
3 yellow cards. Lamin has a flu this morning. Okay, maybe good for them to rest because our match in 3 days. Actually, it will be again my job to rest. Maybe it's good that they use some others and they take some rest. But what to tell me will be ready for next match.
Next up is Amagaju. Last time they beat you. Are you preparing this time?
Okay, they beat us, but they beat us because of our mistakes and our performance in that match. Especially, we should finish first half with at least 3-0. How many chances opportunity we create, and they just one time now 60 minutes they score goal. In the latter goal we had some good opportunities, but they were preparation for them to work. It's not special preparation tactic. As I said, every time we take the same way, and doesn't matter who's in front of us.
Do you think beating Real Sports in the final will demoralize them in the title race?
I don't think about that. It's not my view. I another things to think about. How motivated to prepare them to be first in the education, to got injured. We are end of the league, and already it's only one injury, but big injury. It was Victor Boma, the rest of players when we played. Today is 48 matches from the beginning of the season. Most important that everybody are ready for the rest of the league. You want to ask something before?
Say so. And what is your prediction to Kocha? Mutakaje match ibitego 3 ku busa ku ikipe ya APR, byagenze gute kugira ngo mutsindwe ibitego 3?
Murakoze cyane, ntabwo twugariye neza cyane mu gice cya mbere, bagize guhuzagurika cyane, gukina ibitego 2 turatsinzwe ni match nyinshi twasigaho ni match.
Kocha, nsoza ngewe mu gitondo havuzwe ko ngo mwaba mwaruhukije abakinnyi benshi cyangwa se haba harimo abarwaye. Mu by'ukuri ku rujijo kuri icyo kintu kiriwe mu itangazamakuru, koko abakinnyi bararwaye, hari abafite imihondo, hari abaruhukijwe, bimeze bite?
Abakinnyi bakina ba Marine n'umukinnyi ufite lisansi baruhukije Marine. Ubundi si ikipe yatsinze niyo umuntu batagomba guhindura, ko yatsinzwe ugomba no guhasha.
Mutoza, ekipe ya Marine
iyo yatsinzwe ugomba guha chance amahirwe n'abandi bagakina.
Kocha, bashobora kuvuga gutyo wenda bahakuza kwenda ari nako yarangiza cyane, nyamara bakora twanabiganye.
Dufite match ya Bugesera n'amasozi. Match ya Bugesera niyo turi focusinga, ibyo bindi byo tubirika abanza kuko n'abakinnyi bose na Marine.
Coach, ko ikigeranye n'ikindi nakoze amakipe magana atanu.
Ikize turagifite gutekereza cyangwa urebe nyine match zarangiye umwaka washize siko byagenze, kandi akeka dufite match nyine siko kuba tukabona iyi weekend igiye kuza n'izagenda kugaragaza ikibazo
ariko Kocha, watanga umucyo kuri bari abakinnyi 6 hafi 7 badahari, kugira ko
28 sinzi impamvu sakara batandatu
byatunguranye ukuntu abakinnyi nyine bava muri timu turagireba cyane
twitega n'impinduka ku mukino wa viziyo uri kubisimbuka cyane bikaduteza